Hi, I'm David Dorn with Men's Performance Clinic. I'm here with Anthony, who's a client at our clinic. He was having some challenges and looking around for solutions, just like millions of guys. And Anthony, what's been happening for you?
Well, yeah, just a little bit about my whole process. Just like any other man, I was coming here trying to find answers because I didn't really have anything. And, it was difficult. I was not sleeping good at night. I guess the older you get, I guess you still have problems, but I wasn't understanding why I was having, so many issues with sleep, with pain, and my sexual activity. And I just needed answers. And David pretty much answered a lot of these questions for me. They were very thorough, very detailed, and he put me on a plan, and that process has been really great. So if any of you guys have any problems, and it's okay to talk to because I didn't have any answers. I felt alone, I guess you could say. I felt like a different male, so to speak. And David answered a lot of these questions, and I'm doing really well so far. Man, it's early in the process, but I'm doing well. My confidence is up, my activity is up with my wife and my children, and I owe that to just coming in and talking. So if you guys have any issues, man, and you want to figure out what's going on with your body and what's going on with yourself emotionally, come talk to David, man. I guarantee you, man, you guys will work it out.
Thanks, Anthony.